My name is Strittmatter. I'm an ophthalmologist and I practice at the Agnesian Health Plaza Building A, and I operate in the surgery center in that same building. Ophthalmology is the field of medicine that specializes in the eye. So an ophthalmologist actually does both medical treatment and surgical treatment. There's a long story behind ophthalmology and why I chose that. The short story is my sister's an optometrist, and when I was younger I got to see her go through training, and that piqued my interest. And as I got older, I also found that ophthalmology allowed me not only to operate with my hands, which I really wanted to do, but I also get the office experience of having long-term patients who I can develop relationships with. One of the most rewarding aspects is whenever I have a patient who comes in that either has had a significant decrease in their vision, or they're sometimes even legally blind, and we can do an operation on them, sometimes cataract surgery, one of our most common, and the very next day they come in and they're ecstatic because they can now read, watch TV, do things they may not have been able to do in 5 years' time. That instant gratification is just remarkable. I can just see in every employee that I walk through this hospital an enthusiasm and a true passion for the patients that do walk through the doors here. And we're here for the long term, and we want to make sure that the patients are getting the care they receive. Continuum of care. In our mindset as a physician, a lot of times it's always having an open dialogue with the other providers that are caring for one patient, making sure that we're all on the same page. I think we need to go further and include the patient in that as well. So when I see a patient, I like to make sure that they're educated on any diagnosis that I make for them, so that they are allowed to work with me in making the decisions and what we do next and what treatments or diagnostic testing we go on with. I try to sneak out on the golf course as much as possible. My wife and I are also big hikers, and we're really trying to get out into kayaking more, and she's a big dancer, so sometimes you can see me out some of the local dance lessons as well.